Hello, hi guys. Today we are starting with the new chapter Mathematics for Finance. The weightage of this chapter is 20 marks in paper. So today we are start with the first point is the simple interest. How to find the simple interest? So formula of the simple interest is SI is equal to P into R into T whole divided by 100, and another, or the formula is the P is into I into T. Both have the same meaning. So P is equal to principal, R means the rate of interest, T means the time. So with the example we try to solve how to solve it. P is equal to 200. P means the principal, P is equal to 2000, R means the rate of interest is equal to the 18%, T means the time is equal to 2 years. Find the simple interest. So we are trying to find the how to find the simple interest. So let's get started. So first of all, simple interest formula is P into R into T divided by 100, or P into I into T. So SI is equal to 200 into 18%. 18% into 2 whole divided by 100. So we solve it on the calculator. How to solve? Let's see how to solve it. Calculator. Principal, the value of the principal is 2000 into rate of interest is 18% into time of the year is 2 years is equal to. So we get the answer is 720. So the answer is 720. Yes, I means simple interest is equal to the 720. With the same example, we are trying to find the amount. Amount of the total means the interest and principal. So amount is equal to P plus SI means the principal plus simple interest. So amount is equal to principal. What is the value of the principal is 2000. 2000 plus simple interest is 720. So 2000 plus 700 is equal to the 2720. So the amount is equal to 2720.